Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download HP EliteBook 820 driver. So use any browsers to Google search box to type this one, okay, and just right click to new tab. This is officially website for the you can download driver support.hp.com. Go to this. Okay, this is your operating system and you can change your operating system like Windows 10, 7 and like that. And if you are using Windows 11, so you can download the driver of Windows 10 and you can install it easily. Okay, so BIOS diagnostic and all driver are available. Okay, management tools, software solutions and all. So guys, first chipset. So you can see the only one driver here, so click to download. Okay, so that is a graphic card. Okay, just click to download it, it will start automatically to download. Okay, this is mouse driver, this is camera driver. Okay, and this is wireless button. So I just click to download, it will start automatically. You have to come back to download button, otherwise you can click to more download driver. Okay, perfect. Then network NIC driver, so you can install also this one. And then required Bluetooth driver, Wi-Fi driver. Wireless means guys Wi-Fi driver. Okay, and then also try this one. Okay, first, second, and Bluetooth, and then wireless 4G. Okay, then this is for if you need you can install its firmware and like that, but basic driver required for this chipset, graphic card, keyboard, mouse and network. Okay, yeah, thank you so much.